Do you want to unhide comments on Instagram? You can unhide a hidden Instagram comment with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unhide a comment on an Instagram post, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Now, scroll down and tap on the post where the comment was hidden. Go to the comments section by tapping the comment icon below the post. If the post has any hidden comments, you will see a See Hidden Comments option at the bottom of the comments screen. Now, tap on See Hidden Comments. You will see the list of all hidden comments here. Now, find the specific comment you want to unhide. Tap on Unhide below the hidden comment next to Reply. A pop-up menu appears. Tap on Unhide from here. Now, the comment will be visible to you and others under that post.